It's the loft. I don't know, I might be moving, building one other house. I don't know if I'm gonna build a new loft again or move this one, but that might be happening in the next few months. I know I gotta be crazy to move out of here, but the wife not happy, so she wants to go back, live by her son. So if I don't take this loft, I'm gonna build my dream loft when I get there. It's gonna be a double decker, up and downstairs. I love this loft. It's so easy to clean, to feed. I made it perfect. I'm getting old, that's why. I don't can be scraping. It takes me 2 minutes to scrape this cage. Just not when I'm breeding. When I'm breeding, it's horrible. Oh God. The nest boxes. Everybody knows how that is. It's the Avery back there. A lot of pigeons. It's the clubhouse for the kids. Both sides get lights, electric, plugs, everything, all LEDs. I'm real happy with this loft. It's amazing. That was fast though. It's only been a few months. Got the loft built, got my birds back, bred them. I got almost 80 babies already. Concentrating on my imports. After that, I'm gonna probably just breed the imports for a bit and that's it. But man, I've got like 100 something birds already. Started off with 50 something. That was quick. It's all my original Fabrys that I've been breeding since 1990. Never bred anything else but that. Now I've got imports that I really like, so I'm gonna breed them separate. I don't let them cross because I keep my stuff the way it is. Don't like crossing it. Boy, can they fly. When I was racing, I was killing it every week, and everybody knows it. And I didn't have the world's greatest location. Rain's coming, still going. And they don't even land on the trees. When you first train them, they do when they're young. They land on here, land on the house roof. But they don't now. Alright, top flight loft, Hawaii. Peace out.